don't know how to use iTools to configure the hardware modules to connect to an EPC3000.
Did someone say EPC3000?
Who's that?
That's Dr. Bob. He knows anything and everything about temperature controllers.
Do I have a remedy for you?
The EPC3000 can have optional hardware modules decided at time of purchase or fitted subsequently. To connect the EPC3000 device, click Scan. Choose the appropriate communications method. Click OK. To view the input-output list, expand the I/O folder. Double-click or expand I/O1 and select ident. Double-click I/O1. Click OP3. Identification or ident. The ident dialog box appears indicating the hardware type fitted. To view a diagram that illustrates the type of hardware fitted, click Terminal Wiring. Note the information that appears at the bottom of the screen when you click each hardware position. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other EPC3000 tutorials at processcontrol.tv for more information.